Hey gang, back here. Hey, it's Farmer Hugh, and we're out in the sunflower field. And today we're going to talk about an optional add-on that you have for the Sunflower Festival, and it's these adorable little buckets. And so today we're going to show you how to cut your sunflowers to fill up your adorable little bucket. This is a $15 option. You get 6 stems in the bucket. Now I had an idea about how to make this video. But I was told that that was not going to be serious enough. So I want to get on my serious gardening face here, and we're going to teach you about how to pick sunflowers. So let's get serious. First of all, we are going to provide you with the cutters so that they're all the correct size. Safety first here, people. We will also have attendants available to help you cut if you do not wish to cut your sunflowers. Then remember, you need to pre-order these because there is a very limited number of these. We kind of didn't anticipate this many people would be this excited about the metal bucket option. So there's a limited number. You got to pre-order these online. So you can take your bucket. We'll have them ready for you. Take your bucket. You're going to kind of measure how far you want this stem to stick out of the bucket. I think we want it to be right about there. Set your bucket down. Hold on to the sunflower, and the key here is you want to cut at an angle. Take a look in there. Cut at an angle, like so. And then let's see what it looks like in our bucket. There we go. So see, he's sticking out the right amount there. Now once you have selected, maybe perhaps you would like a yellow one too. That's okay, as long as you just have 6. And that is how you're going to get your 6 stems into your decorative metal bucket. Remember, this is a $15 option. We have a limited quantity, and they're only available to pre-order